Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a concrete path, a concrete walkway, or even a mini concrete slab. Let's get into it. So first thing to do is to measure and then mark out with spray paint where you want your concrete walkway or path to go. Dig out all the soil, allowing enough room for the formwork as well. Level out the area and then put the formwork in, which mine was just some timber that I had laying around, and then I've screwed it in place on either side there, and I don't need any formwork up there because I'm butting up against the existing concrete. Then I've pegged it into place in various areas using some temp pegs, and also here you can see I've got some T-posts, because once we fill this in with concrete it's going to be a lot of weight pushing on all this, so the formwork is going to try and push out, so those pegs will just help keep it in place. I've added a sheet of plastic to help keep the moisture out. This one here is just a Grunt brand. It's an ultra tough plastic film. I got it from Bunnings and just cut it to size. For a project this size I don't necessarily need Rio, but I had some lying around, so I'm going to use it and put it to good use rather than just sitting around. I've just put some rocks and some broken tiles underneath to raise the Rio up, because you want it sitting in the middle of the concrete. So it just needs to be raised up like so. So fill it all up with concrete and try and get it about 1 centimetre above the formwork, and then dig into it with your shovel. Grab the Rio, if you've got Rio, lift it up and put it down again, and go around the formwork with a hammer and just tap it, just to get all the air and stuff out and help settle all the concrete everywhere. Just keep digging away. Now I'm going to screed the concrete. Just grab something with a square edge, rest it on the edges of the formwork and just drag it along, moving from side to side. And don't worry about anything like that, because we'll finish that off in the next step. So just do that along the whole thing. Now I'm going to use a float to give it a nice smooth finish. When you're doing this, put one edge on the concrete and lift one edge up, so you're not dragging like that. The edging tool has given it a nice finish around the edges, and then the float has given it a nice smooth finish. Very happy with that. Busy day, my legs are sore, my whole body's sore actually, but worth it. Now we just need to wait for the concrete to cure. Keep in mind, concrete that dries too fast will crack or shrink. So I've dug the dirt away from the framework a bit to help me get it out. So I'm going to pull all the pegs out. And just grab a hammer and just tap along. So I ended up giving this hose for 7 days, just to err on the side of caution, because I'm going to have a lot of weight going over it. It's been about 2 weeks now since I've started using it, and I'm real happy with how it's turned out. Well, thanks for watching guys. Without you this channel would be nothing, so thanks again for watching and bye for now.